Section 2.1 deals with variables and data. So a variable is a characteristic that varies from one person to another, or thing to another. And there are two types. There's qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative is essentially your categories, your categorical variables, whereas quantitative, as its name implies, is some sort of numerical variable. And then we can further classify quantitative variables as either discrete or continuous. A discrete variable is one whose values can be listed. The mathematical way of saying that is that the discrete variable is one whose values are countable. And a continuous variable is one whose possible values come from some interval. You can see the figure there for the type. Once we observe the values of variables for several different people or things, then we have data. So you can see there that associated with the various types of variables, we have the corresponding various types of data. A couple of other terms that we need to be aware of. Each individual piece of data is called an observation. So an observation would usually pertain to just one unit in your sample. And then the collection of all observations for a particular variable is called a data set. Let's look at this example about the Boston Marathon, because we have several different examples of data. So here we're given text here that refers to April 21st, 2014. About 35,671 men and women set out to run 26 miles and 385 yards from rural Hopkinton to Boston. So clearly we've encountered some numerical facts just in that first sentence. And you can see, let's see, if we look at the second paragraph, well, it indicates that the Boston Marathon provides examples of different types of variables. And the classification of each entrant as either male or female, well, there's a qualitative variable because that's categorical. We also see in the third paragraph the place of finish, that is quantitative, which is also discrete because we can talk about first place, second place, and so on, so that data can clearly be ordered. And then in the last paragraph, you see finishing time there, and that's clearly quantitative. And that is a continuous random variable because it can take on values in an interval, right? That can be, theoretically, that can be any positive real number. Though practically speaking, it would be probably between 0 and, it looks like maybe 3 hours.